Hello students, welcome to maths class. Today I am going to discuss the new concept on matrices, that is operations on matrices. Operations means addition of matrices, difference of matrices, multiplication of a matrix by any scalar or any constant, and fourth one is negative of the matrix. So let us consider an example. If A and B be any two matrices, then find the first one, matrix A plus B, and the second one, matrix A minus B, and the third one, multiplication of the matrix A by the scalar 2, that is 2A, and the fourth one, find negative of the matrix A, that is minus E. Let's start the solution. For first one, so here we need to find the matrix A plus B. When we are finding the matrix A plus B, the main condition is the orders of both the matrices which are going to add here must be same. So here both the matrices A and B has two number of rows and two number of columns. Therefore, order of the matrix A is 2 cross 2, and similarly order of the matrix B is also 2 cross 2. So means both A and B matrices has same orders. Therefore, A plus B is possible here. So A plus B is equals to, the matrix A is given by 1, 2, 6, 3 plus matrix B is given by 3, minus 1, 0 and 5. Addition of two matrices or A plus B matrix is obtained by adding the corresponding elements, means 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3, 2 plus minus 1, 6 plus 0, 6 plus 0 and 3 plus 5. I hope all of you are understanding. So when we are finding addition of two matrices, the first condition is orders of both the matrices must be same, and second condition, addition of two matrices is obtained by adding the corresponding elements of both the matrices. So which is equals to 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 as it is, plus into minus, minus 1, 6 plus 0 is 6, 3 plus 5 is 8, and hence the matrix A plus B is equals to 4, 2 minus 1 is 1, and 6 as it is, 8 as it is. This is the required A plus B matrix. Now the second one. So we need to find the matrix A minus B. Again same thing, when we are finding difference of two matrices, orders of the both the matrices must be same. Here orders of both A and B are same. Therefore, A minus B matrix is possible here. So matrix A is given by 1, 2, 6, 3. 1, 2, 6, 3 minus B matrix 3 minus 1, 0, 5. 3 minus 1, 0, 5. So which is equals to, again same thing, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3, 2 minus 1, and next 6 minus 0, and next 3 minus 5, 3 minus 5. Therefore, matrix A minus B is equals to 1 minus 3 is minus 2, 2 minus into minus plus 1, 6 minus 0 is 6, 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Hence, the required A minus B matrix is minus 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 6 and minus 2 as it is. And you just observe here, order of the matrix A plus B is same as the order of the matrix A as well as order of the matrix B. And order of the matrix A minus B is also same as order of the matrix A as well as order of the matrix B. That is what? 2 cross 2. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a note. So now the third question. We need to find the matrix 2A, which is equals to 2 into A matrix is given by 1, 2, 6, 3. 1, 2, 6, 3. So multiplication of any matrix by any scalar is obtained by multiply the each and every element of the matrix by the given scalar. It means the matrix 2A is obtained by 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 6 and 2 into 3. Therefore, matrix 2A is equals to 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 6, 12 and 2 into 3, 6. Now the fourth question. Negative of the matrix A, that is minus A, which is equals to minus A can be written as minus 1 into matrix A. Baribodu. So again minus 1 into A is similar to finding the matrix 2A. Here scalar is 2 ittu, illi the scalar value is minus 1. So which is equals to minus 1 as it is into the given matrix A is given by 1, 2, 6, 3. 1, 2, 6, 3. Which is equals to multiplication of this matrix A by the scalar minus 1. Minus 1 into 1. Minus 1 into 1. And then minus 1 into 2. Minus 1 into 2. And then minus 1 into 6. And then minus 1 into 3. Therefore, minus A or negative of the matrix A is equals to minus 1 into 1, minus 1, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, minus 1 into 6, minus 6, minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Or you may take minus as a common, very both. So you just observe here, negative of the matrix A means multiplication of the matrix A by the scalar minus 1. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a note. Now the next one is multiplication of matrices. So when multiplication of matrices is possible, for that let A and B are any two matrices. Let A be a matrix of order m cross n and B is another matrix of order P cross Q. The product of the matrices A and B, that is AB matrix, is possible if and only if the product of the matrices A and B, that is matrix AB, is possible if and only if number of columns in the first matrix should be equal to number of rows in the second matrix. I hope all of you understanding. Product of any two matrices is possible only when the number of columns in the first matrix should be equal to number of rows in the second matrix. It means here matrix AB is possible if and only if n is equals to P. N is equals to P. And the order of the matrix AB is M cross Q. M cross Q. I hope all of you understanding. So if the number of columns in the first matrix is equals to number of rows in the second matrix, it means order of the second matrix should be equal to N cross Q irrelevant, because N should be equal to P in the sense order of the B matrix must be equal to N cross Q. I hope all of you understood. Let us consider an example. Let A is a matrix and the elements of the matrix A are 1, 2, -2, 0, 4, 5. And B is another matrix. Elements of the matrix B are 3, 2, 1, 0, 5, -1. Then find the matrix AB. So matrix AB is equal to. First we need to identify is AB matrix is possible or not. For that we need to identify is number of columns in the first matrix are equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Adavella check madri. Order of the matrix A is 2 cross 3 because 2 number of rows and 3 number of columns are exist here. And order of the matrix B is 3 cross 2. Why? Because number of rows are 3 and number of columns are 2. So therefore number of columns in the first matrix is 3 and number of rows in the second matrix is 3. Therefore AB is possible here. And what is order of the matrix AB? That is 2 cross 2. I hope all of you understanding. Let's start the solution. So AB is equals to matrix A is given by 1, 2, -2, 0, 4, 5 into B matrix 3, 2, 1, 0, 5, -1. The procedure to find the product of two matrices is You just observe here. Correct ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. Procedure to find the product of any two matrices is given by rows versus column. So matrix AB is equals to, we need to multiply first row elements of the first matrix with elements of the first column in second matrix. That is 1 into 3. 1 into 3 plus 2 into 1. 2 into 1 plus minus 2 into 5. Minus 2 into 5. So we completed multiplication of the first row elements with first column elements. After that, multiply these first row elements with second column elements. That is 1 into 2 plus 2 into 0 plus minus 2 into minus 1. Minus 2 into minus. And now first row is completed with first column as well as second column. Now multiply the elements of second row with the first column. That is 0 into 3. 0 into 3 plus, this is the procedure, 4 into 1. 4 into 1 plus 5 into 5. And now multiply these second row elements with second column elements. That is 0 into 2. 0 into 2 plus 4 into 0 plus 5 into minus 1. 5 into minus 1 and completed the matrix. Now which is equals to 1 into 3. 3. 2 into 1. 2. Minus 2 into 5. Minus 10. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ minus 10. So plus into minus. Minus 10. I hope all of you understanding. Next 1 into 2. 2. 2 into 0. 0 plus minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. And now 0 into 3. 0 plus 4 into 1. 4 plus 5 into 5. 25. And then 0 into 2. 0 plus 4 into 0. 0 plus 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. In plus of the plus into minus. Minus 5. I hope all of you understanding. Therefore required matrix AB is equals to 3 plus 2, 5. 5 minus 10. Minus 5. 2 plus 2. 4. 4 plus 25. 29. 0 minus 5 is minus 5. And you just observe here, this matrix AB has 2 number of rows and 2 number of columns. Therefore order of the matrix AB is 2 cross 2. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a note. We still consider some more examples. Let us consider one more example. If A and B are any two matrices, then find the matrix AB and the matrix B. Let's start the solution. Here both A and B matrices have 2 number of rows and 2 number of columns. Therefore order of the matrix A is 2 cross 2 and order of the matrix B is also 2 cross 2. So number of columns in the first matrix 2 and number of rows in the second matrix 2. Since number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix, therefore matrix AB is possible here. And what is the order of the matrix AB? That is also 2 cross 2. So A matrix is given by 1, 3, minus 2, 4 into matrix B 3, 0, minus 5, 2, which is equals to procedure another first row first column, first row second column, ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ second row first column, and then second row second column. First row first column 1 into 3, 1 into 3 ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 into minus 5, 3 into minus 5. So first row first column completed, and then first row second column 1 into 0, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 into 2. So first row first column completed, first row second column completed. ಈ first row ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ second row first column minus 2 into 3, minus 2 into 3 plus 4 into minus 5, 4 into minus 5. So second row first column complete, and then second row second column minus 2 into 0, minus 2 into 0 plus 4 into 2. So second row all columns are completed. Now, so therefore matrix AB is equals to 1 into 3, 3 plus 3 into minus 5, minus 15. So plus into minus, minus 15. I hope all of you understand. Now 1 into 0, 0 plus 3 into 2, 6. And then minus 2 into 3, minus 6, plus into minus, minus 4 into 5, 20, minus 2 into 0, 0, plus 4 into 2, 8. Therefore required AB matrix is equals to 3 minus 15, minus 12, 0 plus 6, 6, minus 6 minus 20, minus 26, 0 plus 8, 8. And you may observe here, order of this resultant AB matrix is also 2 cross. Next, we need to find the matrix BA. BA is equals to, so matrix B is given by, first to B other B ne barkoboku. B matrix is given by 3, 0, minus 5, 2, minus 5, 2. And the matrix A is given by 1, 3, minus 2, 4, 1, 3, minus 2, 4. Here number of columns in the first matrix 2 and number of rows in the second matrix 2. Hence BA matrix is also possible. So which is equals to, procedure another first row first column, first row second column. First row ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಲಿಂದ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ second row first column and then second row second column. So now first row first column 3 into 1, 3 into 1 plus 0 into minus 2. So first row first column completed, and then first row second column 3 into 3 plus 0 into 4. So first row yellow column linda complete aitu. Next move towards the second row. Second row first column minus 5 into 1 plus 2 into minus 2, 2 into minus 2. and then second row with first column completed. Now second row with second column, minus 5 into 3, minus 5 into 3 plus 2 into 4, which is equals to 3 into 1, 3, plus into minus, minus 0 into 2, 0, and then 3 into 3, 9, plus 0 into 4, 0, minus 5 into 1, minus 5, plus into minus, minus 2 into 2, 4, minus 5 into 3, minus 15, plus 2 into 4, 8. I hope all of you understand it. Therefore, required BA matrix is equals to 3 minus 0, 3, 9 plus 0, 9, minus 5 minus 4, minus 9, minus 15 plus 8, minus 7. And the order of this matrix BA is also 2 cross 2. Why? Because you just observe here, order of the B matrix is 2 cross 2 and order of the matrix A is 2 cross 2. So number of columns in the first matrix is equals to number of rows in the second matrix, and the order of the resultant matrix should be equal to 2 cross 2. I hope all of you understood. And you may observe one more thing here. Is AB matrix is equals to BA matrix? So minus 12 is exist here. Here 3 is exist. Therefore, AB matrix is not equal to BA matrix. It means matrix multiplication is not commutative. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a note. I hope all of you understood the problems on operations on matrices. Means how we add two matrices, how we subtract two matrices, and how we multiply two matrices. So for that, take this question as your assignment work. If A and B are any two matrices, then find the matrix A plus B, A minus B, 3A matrix, and AB matrix as well as BA matrix.